Well, the service and everything was a success. It's all done. Now just got to reset that clock there, the service reminder that flashes when you start up the car, and shut it off. Use the trip computer buttons. You have the ignition off and you hold in the two arrows up and down together and you turn the ignition on. You wait for a beep or a chime, and then you press the mode button once, and then you hold down the arrows again until another chime is heard, and then resets this. Holding arrows. There's the chime, press mode once, hold the arrows again, and reset. So we should turn it off and it shouldn't flash. Good. Turn it on again. Yep, service reminder is set. That's how you do it. Just simply by pressing the two arrows in with the ignition off, turn the ignition on, you wait for the chime, then you can let go of the up and down buttons, and then you press the mode button once, then you hold the arrows in again until that second beep is heard. So that's simple to do, because that flashing gets annoying after a few weeks. So yeah, so once you do the service, you just reset that, and yeah. I hope someone finds that useful. So I certainly did. I've been looking on the internet for ages to find that, because Holden doesn't tell you any of this stuff. They don't want to tell you, unfortunately. So, well, another service complete. Thanks for watching, guys.